What are you doing? Huh? You like that noise? I need to get further away. What are you doing, Helen? Oh, you have your book? Let me see your book. Helen! Zzz, can you go zzz? Are you making some noises? Yes. Oh, you are. Tell me about it. Can you look over here? Tell me all about it. What do you have? Is that your airplane? Okay. I bring out the camera and she turns away from me. Oh, look at your airplane. Huh? What do you say? Zzz. Good job. Are you going to go pull up on the couch? Oh, we're impeded. We're impeded by the airplane. What is that? It's slowing your progress. Are you stuck with the airplane? Where are you going? Where are you going? You going to truck on down the road? There she goes. Oh, wait. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, on the move again. All right. Baby incoming. Oh, where's she going?
Did I tell you what I decided to do about the job?
Hi. Look where you're going.
Helen, come back this way.